everyone! We are here at Mitsubishi Urdaneta. And yes, naman po yung nakikita po ninyo, we are about to check what is X-Force Mitsubishi, ang bago po nilang nirelease ngayong July 2024. So, first po, it's a good stuff. The X4 has a sleek design with a bold front grille and a sharp LED headlights. So, ito pagka-open po natin, may monolithic 12.3-inch display po siya. Napaka-sophisticated, napakaganda ng kanyang interior, and yun, may mga Yamaha yung mga speakers. So alam niyo naman, pagdating sa Yamaha, yung mga instrument po nila, napaka good yung sound. So I think it comes with a good sound pag nasa loob ka. And ayan, napaka detailed din po yung mga laman nun sa may driver side. So ito yung ating back, and then sa high end or top of the line po nila, ayan, so napakaganda. Mitsubishi X4 is currently available with a CVT transmission only. So wala pong manual. And tinanong ko yung agent nila, I think wala pa talagang manual for this one. So ayan, so first inopen ni husband yung sa likod niya kasi we want to check. So then nagulat kami, napakaganda talaga niya. However, napakakunti lang nung kaya niyang kuning passenger. Like this one, as you can see, akala namin parang yung Montero namin na pwede naming i-incline yung mga upuan. So dito sa back niya, sa compartment niya, dito nakalagay yung extra tire po niya. So wala talaga siyang upuan sa mga likod, so for passenger. So basically, this is a 5-seater na SUV po. So subcompact SUV ang tawag nila dito. So parang high-end ng Xpander, pero mas lesser than Montero. So, napakaganda, stylish po sa loob niya. However, yun nga lang, 5-seating capacity. So, between Xpander and this one, if ever na pang family kukunin mo, I recommend for Xpander. Pero, let's check about kung ano yung mga good pa dito sa mga X-Force. So, ito, parehas lang sila ng size ng Montero, yung size ng tire niya. And then, ayan yung sa loob niya. Sa may backside ng mga ng driver. Ayan. So, leather po yung kasama nito because as I said, this is the top of the line po. And ang color po nito is energetic yellow metallic. Yes, hindi po siya gold, hindi din po siya orange. Yun po yung term nila, energetic yellow metallic. So, practically, this is designed for yung mga hindi pa, wala pang pamilya or maliit lang kayo sa family, like 2 children, ayan po. Yung pwede po ito. Pero pag bigger size, hindi po recommended ito. Pero this is a good for sa mga bachelors. So, price range is 1.3 to 1.5 million. So, itong top of the line po na sinasabi ko is 1.5 million. And then, unleaded po. So, this is not diesel. So, this is gasoline po pagdating sa ating mga pan. So, between X-Force and Montero, so yan yung engine po nila. So, SUV and subcompact SUV. Luggage compartment, ayan. And then, ayan, napakaganda ng X-Force. So, heart ako dun. Then, GLS and GT. So, GT is top of the line or high-end variant. And this is the price as of December 2023. 11 out of 10 for the exterior and some features of X-Force. However, mas gusto pa rin po namin yung manual transmission for some other reasons lang. Personal reason po namin yun. Since wala pong manual transmission ang X4, so a big no-no na din sa amin. Pero it's up to you guys. I hope nakatulong po sa inyo ito sa pagde-decide ng bago nyong pagbili ng sakyan po for this 2024. So thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye!